Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. What's going on with Builderall? Why is it going up? What is Builderall 3.0 and how can you save $300 by listening to this video? Hit the thumbs up, hit the notifications button, hit the subscribe button and share if you like what I'm going to tell you. Okay. Builderall 3.0 is launching on July the 4th, so you've got about a week left. So it's business in a box, capture pages, websites, multiple done for you websites. It's got WhatsApp apps, Instagram apps, Facebook apps, video apps, script writing apps. I don't really need to go on. And basically, if you bought each app separately, you'd be paying about $10,000. This is a business in a box, guys. So, the car bonus is much better on this new system because for every 10 people you get an extra $50. And for every 3 months that somebody stays in, I think it's $15. Yep, you get $15 extra because you've kept them in and you've been training them up how to use the tools and how to promote it properly. Using the tools is key because you can say, hey, here's what I made earlier. Did you watch Blue Peter when you were younger? So basically, save $300. Get it now. Bonuses from me equals there's a couple of affiliate marketing freebies. There's an affiliate marketing mistakes, an affiliate marketing blueprints. My training on how to use Builderall, which is worth $300. I've got an affiliate marketing for newbies video that I've added in. I can give you advice on solo ads and everything like that, and the new solo ads that I've found that's even cheaper than solo ads. Never buy a solo ad again. And a holiday. Yes, I did say a holiday. Don't forget, you can go on a free trip with me and you can choose where to go. Click the link below and join me, and I'll see you on the next video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share. See you next time. Bye.